Hi, I'm Nishal Kumar and I'm sitting in my a temple, a Bhole Baba temple, which has been there, I believe, since I gained consciousness, which I believe would be 5 6 years. This particular temple had been there, and unfortunately, although I used to frequent this particular temple because it's in my native, it's near to closest to my where I dwell in my house, hometown, which is Patna. So I just want to briefly not discuss about interview solo. When I will interview somebody from the committee, I will deliberate, contemplate, and pontificate about many aspects, the policies, the agendas, and the purpose of this particular temple, Lord Shiva. Before I do that interview, let me emphasize a little upon the current corona crisis which has been there, and it has become a source of major scourge. You see, basically, I don't want to talk in a very lengthy way as to what this corona crisis, how this COVID-19 virus affects our metabolism, genome, the actually when the virus infects us, it somehow infiltrates the cell, and it the ribosome, the RNA of the virus itself, its genome, and the mRNA of the virus is recognized by the ribosome, who start to synthesize protein and creating a havoc in the cell. Actually, what happens, the adverse effect of the virus is because the cytokines in our cells starts to secrete its constituents exorbitantly. Fortunately, there are some medicines which has been available. Mrs. Majumdar was suggesting that some kind of medicine is soon going to be launched, which will be mitigating and regulating, downgrading the release of the cytokines, thereby reducing the pathogenicity and violence of this virus. Having said that, let me come to the moot point. There are three possible ways to handle this virus. I'm not going to dwell upon herd immunity. As to my mind, I think one is obviously the vaccine, second, plasma therapy, and the third is the medicine. Now, vaccine development, I know ICMR in collaboration with some company has suggested that they'll come up with the vaccine on 15th August. I hope and pray sincerely, touch wood, that this vaccine works. Nonetheless, I am little apprehensive and skeptical because the accuracy of the vaccine would always be a question mark. How the human body cell responds to the stimuli, the vaccine, is still to be known. So, however, future is pregnant with possibilities. Nothing is impossible. Even I am possible. Everything is even I impossible is I am possible. So let's not rule out anything. Let's factor in whatever possibilities that are there, and the entire caboodle and the entire zing bang, diversified scholars and experts in biological sciences, biotechnology, people who know recombinant DNA technology, genetics, microbiology, immunology, virology, statisticians, physicians, and others should collectively, in a coherent unit, work unanimously to come up with a remedy as soon as possible. And to my mind, as far as I can prognosticate, I'm not a clairvoyant, I'm only making a probability. that if I were to be included in that team, I will ensure that the delivery of the remedy, either in form of vaccine or medicine or plasma therapy, is done within 5 to 45 days. This is my 100% guarantee, because I tell you, I have already suggested on my Facebook timeline the medicine and compound. Nonetheless, if I were to tell you halal is the solution to this, halal is the panacea to this problem, people will get confused as to what halal is. I would talk about halal. I just cannot talk about everything without having vetted it, without having the veracity of what I claim must be authenticated by relevant authorities in the government and the private institutions, which will happen soon. And I believe and I implore institutions to lend me an opportunity to authenticate the veracity of my claim. Having said that, see, social aerosols, as I have already mentioned, have the capability to move in the air, perhaps till 5 meters or maybe 10 meters. Therefore, social distancing is very necessary. Yes, I am perhaps not being able to maintain that 5-10 meter distance, because I am a journalist and I have to work for larger public good, which is why I am doing it. Nonetheless, whoever the committee members who are present there are all wearing masks. Having said that, let me conclude by saying that I believe this is no doubt artificial, a synthetic virus, and the ratio cyanation for this synthetic virus has already been explained to you. It was either an experiment that has gone haywire, or perhaps there could be possibly two intentions. Whoever scientist, that Chinese scientist, I believe, in my understanding, who would have created this synthetic virus, had two intentions in his mind. First, of course, was the megalomania concept, and second was to eliminate the population. The elimination of population by 5%, because elimination of population by 5% will decrease consumption astronomically, and this decrease in consumption will lead to decrease in carbon footprint, and that would balance the ecosystem, thereby ensuring that the longevity of human civilization is lengthened at least by 100 to 1000 years. So the purpose was both positive, pessimistic, as well as realistic. Now, having put things into perspective, coming back to this forum, which is this Monday, going forward, I would also be wanting to do an interview with the committee member of this forum. Fortunately or unfortunately, the concerned person has asked me to do the interview in Hindi language, which I believe, me being a Bihari, it's not that I cannot speak. The problem is accent problem. So I will see as to how can I handle Hindi. I believe I have done one video before this in Hindi language. The language was little colloquial in terms of accent, but please, the message is more important, the substance is more important than the style. Having said that, I would like to sign off for now, and I will keep connected to you, and when I come up with a certain outcome in terms of having done the experiments and completed the project, when I come with some outcomes, I have already come with an outcome, but the human trial has not happened. So when this human trial and all completes, I'll come here and I'll again reconnect with my FB audience, my online audience, and share with them as to what all are the remedies. As of now, I would say ensure physical distance of 5 to 10 meters. That shall do the needful. Thank you.
स्टॉप कर दें.